This Potinv Nonstick 8-inch granite fry pan is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It has a special non-stick surface. Food does not stick to it, and it helps when you cook eggs. You can cook your breakfast without much grease. Cleaning up is also very easy. It is a solution for busy people who want quick meals. The Potinv Nonstick 8-inch granite fry pan is made from aluminum alloy. This makes it light but strong. It can handle heat well, so you don't have to worry. The surface is scratch resistant, so your pan will look good for a long time. The name granite describes its look. It is also PFOA free, which is good for you. This pan works on induction cooktops. Its dimensions are perfect for small meals. Overall, the Potinv Nonstick 8-inch granite fry is a great addition to any kitchen. It makes cooking simpler and faster. You can say goodbye to stuck food and tough scrubbing. This pan is easy to use and easy to clean. It feels sturdy and should last if you need a reliable small frying pan. The Potinv Nonstick 8-inch granite fry pan is a good choice for anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims. The OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: easy cleanup, scratch-proof, heat-resistant, PFOA-free, induction okay, aluminum, even heating, lightweight. Cons: may have chemical smell, handle assembly issues, missing handle screws, limited oven use. Questionable durability, coating may degrade, lid fit may be poor, handle feels cheap, not very heavy, needs a lid sold separately. Features: 8-inch size, aluminum alloy, scratch-proof, heat-resistant, PFOA-free, induction okay, easy to clean, lightweight. This Potinv 8-inch fry pan is made from aluminum alloy and has a non-stick granite coating that resists scratches. It can handle high heat and doesn't have PFOA. You can use it on induction cooktops, and it's easy to clean. Plus, it's lightweight, making it simple to use. This Potinv 8-inch granite fry pan is made of aluminum and has a non-stick surface that resists scratches and heat. It doesn't have PFOA, works with induction cooktops, and is easy to clean. It's also light and heats evenly. However, some people have noticed a chemical smell, had trouble putting the handle together, sometimes missing screws, and think it might not last very long. You can't use it in the oven much. The coating might wear out, and lids are sold separately and might not fit well. The handle can feel cheap, and the pan isn't very heavy.